Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're going to learn how to use the index and large functions to find the nth largest score from a given range of student data. Here's a table containing 10 student records with their names and scores. Now, let's say we want to find the third largest score from this list. To achieve this, we'll use the index and large functions. Here's the formula. Type the formula. Type equal to type index start bracket select scores range. Press F4 key for lock range. Type comma. Type match bracket start. Type large bracket start. Select scores range. Press F4 key. Type comma. Select nth value. Bracket close. Type comma. Select scores range. Press F4 key. Type comma, type 0 for exact value. Bracket close. Close. After write the formula, press enter key for result. This formula finds the nth largest score by using the large function to identify the score, and then the index function to return the corresponding student name. Let's implement this formula in Excel to find the third largest score. And there we have it. The student with the third largest score is Grace with a score of 90. So, whether you're analyzing student data or any other dataset, Excel's powerful functions can help you quickly retrieve the information you need. Thank you for watching.